I'm going to solve the lead code problem in 23, merge k sorted list. So we have given k sorted list and we need to merge sorted list. So in this problem, I have solved this problem using the heap. As you know, there is two kind of heap. One is the min heap, other is max heap. So by default is min heap. So first element would be heap will store in the array, and array first on top of the array item would be the minimum. So we will use that property and we will implement this one. So what I'm doing here, we have two lists, 1 5 10 and another is 2 4 11, and we need to merge these lists. So what I will do here, I created one linked list, and here the second linked list, and then I'm calling those we need to add this list, merge two lists. So I'm passing here, and initially I classes list classes. So with list classes have two things, one is data and another next, and it's here this is for representation of the list. Okay, so here merge list, so this is content list of, so I'm using the heap queue, and I'm defining here heap is a list. So current dummy, because I need to check the dummy is the first item, so we can return because current would be the last item. So first what we will do, we will check the list because list will have now two lists. We can use the k list. So here that node, if that node is exists, we will push into heap. So heap always it will give the minimum element in the first data and nodes. So if the two nodes is came here, you see here, if you want to see, you can print here the value heap. So if you see here, there is two linked list, and linked list first value and uh, is the node pointer next in first element. So the minimum is first, it came here, and for the two is the came less than 2. So now what we need to do, we need to sort this one. So here we inserted, so now this two list is finished here. Now what we will do, we will run this while loop till the this heap finished. So I did heap, so heap we have two element value node. So if I'm to the pop, the first element will come always. Okay, so this one element would come down. Okay, so pop is the last element. If you're doing pop, so it's coming last element. It's stored like this way, but this they give to this element. Okay, so what we'll do, and so value and node. So current node as is current node dot next. We will assign this node, and current we will move to the next. Okay, and if node dot next is exist, then node equal to next, and we will push into the heap. Again we will check, and we will assign this, and finally we will remove this current. We will return this dummy dot next.